Hello all. Today we're going to learn the double crochet stitch. If you're following UK crochet terms, this stitch is called double crochet. But if you're following American crochet terms, this same stitch is called single crochet. It's exactly the same movement, just different naming. I teach in UK terms, but I will post a little info later, so you can refer if you are learning in US terms. The double crochet is the stitch that begins to build fabric. This is your first stitch worked into a chain. It might feel slower than the chain stitch. It might feel slightly awkward. You might struggle to find the next stitch to insert your hook into, but that's completely normal. We will start with the base made of 10 chains. If you haven't made a chain yet, use the linked video and practice that first. We will be working back into the chain stitches. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stitches, 10 chains. So here's the front of your work, looks like a chain, and that's the back, looks like a rope chain. But that is the back of your work. So what we need to look at is the front. And we will be working back into those stitches, so here. And we only use one loop of that chain, which is the top loop. So you'll see you have 2 loops underneath and 1 loop on the top. To begin a double crochet, we insert the hook into the chain, but to find where, we need to skip the first chain from the hook, this one, to find the second chain from the hook, which is here. This part can feel tricky because the chain might twist slightly. But we work slowly and our chains are even enough. We're good to go. So insert the hook into the chain, the second one, 1 loop only. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the chain. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. And that is 1 double crochet. Let's do that again. Insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through. You've got 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. Notice we are not rushing anywhere, we are building the rhythm. If your hook doesn't go easily into the chain, your chain might be slightly tight, but that's okay. If your stitch looks uneven, that's also okay. This stage is all about coordination. you should start to see a small row forming. It might not look neat yet, and it doesn't need to. The movement is what matters. This stitch is a foundation of so many projects. But today, we're only learning that movement. If you're practicing that stitch, I'd really love to know how it feels for you. Does it feel smoother than the chain? Or does it feel harder? You can tell me in the comments. And your questions can help me shape the next lessons. Let's just see how many we've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in the books normally that would be your last stitch, but I like using the slip knot. I leave it looser so I can actually use it to build my fabric. So that's the 10th double crochet. We just completed 10 stitches row. How do you recognize double crochet? It has got a little V here and the top. So V and the top is one stitch, one double crochet. There's one slightly hidden there, but it's there. You see the V, 1, 2, and this on the top. The top of your work forms a chain pattern. So this is the whole stitch, whole top of the stitch. But that's the front, and that's the back of your stitches. So at the back it forms little legs, like an upside down V, and 2 loops on the top. The 2 loops on the bottom is your chain, is your foundation chain, foundation of this row. Okay. In the next video, we'll look at turning your work and building the next row. Take your time with this one. You're building something real now. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you're following the beginner series, the next video should be linked on your right. See you soon.